Now look at them, guys. How contented they are, the way they live, diba? So appreciate all the blessings you have right now and be thankful to God how He really blessed you. So ganun lang, guys, para magiging happy ka. You don't need to compare your life to others para meron ka, magiging blessed ka, di ba? So kahit meron or wala, feel blessed pa rin kasi that's God how He blessed you. And hindi sa lahat ng panahon na walang-wala ka. Okay, but God will give you the blessing that you have prayed for. No? Ganun lang talaga. Be contented. And yeah, learn how to be contented. Kasi lahat naman tayo blessed. Diba? It depends how we see the blessings of God to us. Hi there, it's me again, Margie, and welcome back again. Now, I would like to talk about this topic, the topic about the financial blessing. Anyway guys, meron lang talagang mga taong nagme-message sa akin, nahihingi ng pangbigas, ganun, nahihingi ng mga tulong or mga solicit. Alam nyo guys, I really have the heart to help. I really wanted to help all of you guys. But you know what? The problem is, hindi pa ako masyadong ganun karaming pera. Kung siguro guys, kung marami lang akong pera, binigyan ko na kayong lahat. Kasi guys, we all need financial blessing, right? So, alam naman natin guys na naniniwala tayo na God will provide. Okay? I know that God will send an instrument to help you guys, no? Hindi lang ako, meron din yun sa ibang tao guys, pero for me, hindi talaga ako ganun ka maraming pera, hindi talaga ako ganun kabongga talaga, hindi ako mayaman guys ha, mayaman lang po ako sa love, ganun lang po. So, pasensya na talaga kung hindi ko lahat kayo matutulungan, kasi nga guys, when we believe that there is God to provide all our needs, ipo-provide talaga niyan guys. Alam nyo, meron talagang time na parang walang-wala tayo, no? Pero pag may faith tayo, nananalig tayo sa Panginoon that He will provide for us, ipo-provide talaga niya guys. Kasi nga, tested and proven na po talaga to sa akin guys, at hindi ka talaga pababayaan ng Diyos. Kasi guys, what makes us happy kahit medyo wala or meron, it's because we know and we are contented already of what we have, no? Kasi guys, we are just working. And if you are working, hindi ka talaga masiruhan guys kasi you are working, di ba? So ganun lang din yun guys. So gawa ka lang at i-bless ka talaga ni Lord. Kasi nga, hindi ka naman talaga pababayaan ni Lord, di ba? So kaya nga guys, pag may financial blessing tayo, I like this quote guys, no? Na if God blesses you financially, don't raise the standard of living, but raise the standard of giving. Yes. So guys, kung marami talaga akong pera guys, bibigyan ko talaga kayo. I-share ko ang mga blessing ko sa inyo guys. So ganun lang talaga. Alam ko na enough lang din naman yung meron kami. Hindi po talaga kami ganun ka mayaman guys, no? Maganda lang talaga kami sa guys, sa mga paningin nyo. Maganda kami manamit. Ganun lang talaga. Pero guys, budgeted po lahat. And hindi po talaga umaapaw, ganun. Hindi po talaga umaapaw. Parang enough lang po talaga para sa amin. Pero kung sobra-sobra na talaga guys, magbibigay naman kami, no? So, basta bahala na kayong lahat dyan kung ginajudge nyo kami. Basta, kung sumusobra na po yung mga blessings namin, of course, nagbibigay naman kami. Ganun lang guys, no? And ano bang sinasabi ng Panginoon guys? Diba sabi niya na, sa Malakay 3:10, that bring ye all the tithes into the storehouse and prove me now, said the Lord of hosts. If I will not open you the window of heaven and pour you out a blessing, that there shall not be room enough to receive it. No? Makikita mo yan sa Malakay 3:10. So anyway guys, the secret of being blessed is gratitude. Kahit konting blessing lang yan guys, basta marunong ka magpasalamat, marunong ka makontento, you know what? God will bless you more. Yeah, and that's the secret of being blessed guys. Practice the gratitude. And you know what guys? Test God. Pag walang-wala tayo, just test God. Iti-test mo lang talaga si Lord na i-provide niya. And yes, hindi ka talaga i-fail ni Lord. And another thing guys, ang sinasabi dyan sa Malakay 3:10, test me. Yan. And 10%, okay? Pag may blessing ka, 10% of your income, no, ibibigay mo, ibabalik mo yan sa Panginoon. And I am doing it every month. By the end of the month, nagbibigay po talaga ako sa Panginoon, guys, no? So, if I fail to give it to the Lord, bumabawi naman ako sa ibang time, di ba? So, yan lang, guys, no, ang ma-advise ko. Kasi, guys, pareho naman tayong may paa, may kamay, no? Kaya, sipag-sipag lang din tayo. Kasi, i-bless din ni Lord yung mga hard works natin, okay? So, ganun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching and may God bless you all. Goodbye!